Hey guys, welcome back to FAMCO. My name is Miguel, and today we're going to start talking about the slant back, the LRV50. This vent features a 50 square inch opening for attic ventilation. It has louvers on three sides, slant back, and it's a low profile. The louver roof vent fits a variety of roof pitches, and it comes with a tall, sealed collar for waterproof. This increases weather protection. The louver roof vent works best when used with a soffit or gable vent. The louver roof vent is quality constructed from 28 gauge galvanized steel, copper, and pre-painted options like brown, black, gray, or white. If you're interested in purchasing the louver roof vent, contact us at famcomfg.com, or you can contact our sales team at sales@famcomfg.com. Thanks for checking out FAMCO's louver roof vent. We'll see you next time.